Dear students, now we are going to discuss a question on refraction through a prism. Question is, a ray of light is incident at an angle of 60 degree on one faces of a prism which has an angle of 30 degree. The ray emerging out of prism makes an angle of 30 degree with the incident ray. The refractive index of material is given that angle of incidence at the first phase I is equal to 60 degree. Angle of the prism A is equal to 30 degree. Then given that angle between incident ray and emergent ray is 30 degree. It is not the angle of refraction. The ray emerging out of prism makes an angle 30 degree with the incident ray, means it is the angle between incident ray and emergent ray. So deviation D is given. D is equal to 30 degree. So from equation, deviation D is equal to I plus E minus A. So 30 is equal to 60 plus E minus 30. So E is equal to 0 degree. E0 means light makes an angle 0 degree with normal. So light has normal emergence. That means angle of emergence is 0. Light makes an angle 90 degree with the surface. Therefore, in normal emergence, we know light incident normally. So, normal incidence at the second phase. So, R2 is equal to 0. This is R1, this is R2, which is 0. So, we have A is equal to R1 plus R2. So, 30 is equal to R1 plus 0. R1 is equal to 30 degree. From Snell's law, refractive index of the prism N is equal to sin I by sin R1. That is equal to sin 60 by sin 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to root 3, or N is equal to 1.732. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is also based on a thin prism. The ratio of angle of minimum deviation of a thin prism in air and when dipped in water will be. We know the angle of minimum deviation produced by a thin prism D is equal to A into N minus 1. What is N? N is the refractive index of prism divided by refractive index of surrounding medium. That is equal to NP by NS. So deviation in air, d air is equal to A into NP by NS is 1. So NP by 1 minus 1. When placed in water, deviation in water is equal to A into NP by surrounding medium is water. So NP by refractive index of water NW minus 1. So deviation in water divided by deviation in air, A will cancel. So NP by NW minus 1 divided by NP minus 1. NP is 3 by 2 divided by refractive index of water is 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer. Take care that the refractive index N is not the refractive index of the prism. Generally, N is equal to N prism divided by N surrounding medium. Okay, hope you understood the principle.